Karma Guy here, and today I'm excited to show you this stunning 2017 GMC Acadia Denali Sport Utility. This beauty has been reduced thousands due to a previous accident, but rest assured, it comes with a Georgia rebuilt title and current state emissions. This Acadia has just undergone a recent service valued at over $290, and yes, it comes with the original keys. It's dealer certified pre-owned, meaning it's backed by our Quality Plus warranty, 3 months or 3,000 miles of peace of mind. Plus, when you purchase, you can snag a 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted price. And don't forget to ask about our lifetime warranty upgrade option. We want you to feel secure in your investment. We believe in raising the standard for transparency in the used auto industry. That's why we invite you to request a recent computer scan. Our scans show a clean bill of health, no trouble codes, and trouble-free for over 13,793 miles. We know that buying a car is a big decision. Just remember, any price reductions will void the CPO status and warranty. As we always say, the bitterness of poor quality remains long after the sweetness of low price is forgotten. So come check out this incredible Acadia today.